In this next example, we've got a little bit more going on. Notice we have e to the negative x squared is equal to e to the x quantity squared times 1 over e to the 3. What do we know about e? E is just a number. It's a number between 2 and 3. It's defined using calculus. We don't really have to worry about the definition. Our calculator knows what E is. It's 2.718281827 and so on and so on and so on. It's a number like pi where it is an irrational number. You cannot write it as a fraction, and its decimal places never end and never repeat forever. So we would like to get this e to the something is equal to e to the something. So we're going to have to do a little bit of algebra before we can try to solve the problem. So the left-hand side, I like the left-hand side. Nothing I want to do to it. Right-hand side, we know that e to the x squared is e to the 2x because we have a multiplication rule there. Times, I would like this as e to the power, so instead of 1 over e to the 3, I'm going to write it as e to the negative 3. Now, I'm going to, again, rewrite the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, since we have the same base, I can add the powers. E to the 2x minus 3. Now, since I have e to the and e to the, we can rewrite it as negative x squared is equal to 2x minus 3. This is a problem that we started solving, what was it, first or second week of class. Let's get a 0 on one side by adding x to both sides. This looks like it factors, and we can factor x minus 3. How about plus 3? X minus 1. Let's just do a quick FOIL. X times x is x squared. X times a negative 1 is negative 1x plus 3x. Those add up to a 2x. Good. And a negative 3 times a positive 3 times a negative 1 is negative 3. Great. So what we're saying is x is equal to negative 3 or positive 1. So our solution set is negative 3 and positive 1. And if we'd like, we can substitute that back in up top and make sure that it all works out, which it does.